Over the last few days, the Bahamas has seen an explosion in COVID-19 cases as the Omicron COVID-19 variant continues to impact hundreds of households. Minister of Health and Wellness Dr. Michael Darville insisting on Tuesday that the government is doing all it can to control the spread of the highly transmissible variant. However, he acknowledged that it is a massive challenge and warned that everyone is susceptible.
The government is doing all that we can do with this situation. When we look at what's happening around the world, every country across the globe is having difficulty with the control of this new Omicron variant.
And things could get worse before they get better.
During the holiday weekend, there was some gatherings that we were concerned about, and they could potentially be super spreaders.
Officials have also noted an increase in the number of hospitalizations and have announced the suspension of certain services as Princess Margaret Hospital grapples with staff shortages due to COVID-19 exposure and infections.
In New Providence, there's a little over 100 healthcare professionals out in New Providence, and there is about 30, to my last count, in Grand Bahama Durand Memorial Hospital.
Between Thursday and Sunday, 1,535 cases were confirmed. On Thursday alone, 520 were recorded, a new single-day record that replaced the one set only days before. Darville says Bahamians and residents have to do their part as government is challenged to control the spread of the highly transmissible Omicron variant.
It's very important that the Bahamian people realize that they have a part to play. We must execute the proper protocols and ensure that we wear our masks when we're in public places and we are able to go from place to place, minimizing our contact with individuals. It is a challenge. We will definitely be untrue to say it's not a challenge.
Testing sites were inundated with people over the long holiday weekend. The good news? The government has rolled out its pilot free testing program at vaccination sites across New Providence, which was categorized as the epicenter for the Omicron variant in the Bahamas. Additionally, Darville says the government is bringing in additional medical staff in anticipation of another surge in cases and hospitalizations.
Even though we have sufficient bed space, we are now restructuring to ensure that we find a staff where individuals who will be admitted will be able to go in those particular wards.
Darville says there are about 55 COVID-positive patients at PMH alone. However, he noted that not all of them are suffering from COVID symptoms. More than 26,000 cases have been confirmed in the Bahamas since March 2020. Just over 3,200 cases are active. For the Guardian News Network, I'm Kyle Joaquin.